Go.
Ano ba ito?
Panera bread.
Panera bread.
Dito ako sa Panera Bread.
Sa White Plains,
Word.
New York.
New York.
Oh. Ano masabi mo kila Auntie Cathy?
Ayun, dito na ako pati. Nag-enjoy ako dito. Kumakain kami.
Oh. Ano pa na Kamusta yung tulog mo na
Okay naman. Parang tulog na eh.
How about you, Be? What can you say with our loved ones? To our loved ones in the Philippines.
Hi, Auntie Kathy. I miss you so much. I'm happy that Nana is visiting here, and I hope that you can visit here also to bond and welcome.
Oh, huwag na.
Huwag na, tapos na.
There you go. This is Panera bread.
Tapos agad na.
Okay, good?